Under Settings, click on Billing Management. Then choose the preferred product. Click on Disbursements, then proceed by filling the required information, which includes your bank, the mode, your email address, frequency, and your charges configuration. Next, you turn on the Split button to enable split disbursements. Proceed by clicking on Add Split, then fill in the required information, which includes your bank, the payment type, which is either fixed payments or by percentage, then input your value. Click on Submit to complete the process.